I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular vacuum seal bags for travel, packing, blankets, all that stuff. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know, what I like about each one, what I don't like about each one. We're going to go head to head over here. I have a nice little chart that I made over here, which I'll reference about the differences of these. And we're going to shrink down some shorts over here. I'm going to show you how much more space we could get in this suitcase. We're going to start with this one here, the Wfiia, W-F-I-I-A. You're going to get 15 bags with this one. You got 5 small, 5 medium, 5 large. We're going to get this pump right over here. It also comes with a charger that we have not used because we have all of these around our house. And this nice little storage bag right over here. And then 15 of these blue clips. These are going to help us seal the bag. Now, in terms of sizing on these bags, really nice, secure bags right over here. Nice zipper mechanism as well. So that's what you have, and we're going to unscrew this in a second. So this is what the bags look like right over here. We got the large is going to be 19.7 by 23.6, and then the medium is going to be 15.7 by 23, and then this one is going, the small is going to be 15 by 19. You're going to get 5 of each. We're going to use this medium bag to compress the shorts in just a second, but that's kind of a quick rundown of this one right over here. These right over here are going to be the BAGSMART bags. These are color coded, so a little different. The sizes on these are a little different, and for both of these, if you don't like the sizes, how many bags come, the listing, you could get whatever you want. Like, there are different sizes and combos. So for this one right here, we have the small one right over here. That's going to be 20 inches. The medium size right over here is going to be 24 inches. And then our largest bag size is going to be 28. These are good for blankets and pillows and all that kind of stuff. And then with the BAGSMART one, you also are going to get this laundry bag, this shoe bag, and a toiletry bag. That comes with it. It also comes with these little white clips right over here. So for those, you're going to get 18. So you get 15 bags, and then they count these as 3 other bags. So let's kind of get this going here. Oh, for this one right over here, we do get a the vacuum thing. There is no cable with it, so just note that. So let's kind of get going here. We're going to take, you'll see right over here, this is what the suitcase looks like right now. So we're going to get this medium bag right over here. We're going to take this pair. So we got 4 pairs right over here. And then we also have another 4 pairs over, oh, there it is. 4 pairs over there. All right, so I'm just going to compress them how they were in. So we're just going to open this bag up right over here. I think it's easier to kind of get, I know we're taking air out of these, but I like to just open it up nice and big. Makes my life easier that way. I'm just going to put them in like that. Then we're going to take this medium bag over here, and we're going to see who compresses it better. All right. Just grab this. Now, these are super easy to use. Both of these bags work very similar. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to grab this, and we're just going to, I like to get some air out of here. So you're just going to kind of like compress a little bit here. And then we're just going to kind of get this started right over here. You don't have to do this. You could use the clip. I think it's easier to use the clip once you kind of have it kind of compressed a little bit yourself. Really easy. It lines up easier. It's much easier to do this on a table, to be honest, than to kind of do it standing up. So you'll see here, they just clip real easy, just like that. This one right over here, same thing. These bags are super sturdy, which I kind of like as well. So you'll see here, just really simple to do. And you're just gonna wanna squeeze that last bit of air out at the end so you can get going. Now, these clips come in handy right over here. So we're just gonna take this right over here, put it on just like that. And we just want to make sure it's all sealed, just nice like that. And then we're going to do the same with this one. I'm just going to use this clip. It doesn't really matter. You'll see this one clips a little bit more. All right, so we're going to take this piece off right over here. We're going to see who is the winner. Take this one off over here. Kind of bring these over here. All right, so we're just gonna put this right on top of the nozzle right over here. You can screw it in. It does help if you lean on the bag a little bit, like you kind of push down. I found it goes quicker. All right, this one is in. So let's just kind of get this compressed. You just hit this top button right over here. And quick thing to note with this right over here, it will show you how much battery you have. You get about 100 compressions for each one. So they're just compressing by themselves. Oh, this one was open. Hold on. Yeah, you're gonna make sure they're definitely shut. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this one right over here, I had that one open. That was my bad. All right. So this is what they look like compressed right over here. They did a really nice job. Both of these right over here. This one seems like it compressed a little bit more when you kind of look at it skinny wise or whatever. So I'm going to show you what this kind of looks like now, the suitcase. So you'll see here, the suitcase, like maybe you could get 3 of these bags in here just like that. And that's just 4 pairs of shorts in each one. So let's kind of go over. So they work really well. So for the Wfiia one, these are going to be a perfect fit for you. If you kind of want a travel case to go with this. So this does come in a travel case, really nice. This one right over here does not have a case or a charger. So if you need the charging cable, this one is going to be the better fit for you. In terms of some other differences, I would say with the BAGSMART, you also get these bags. So if you want a laundry bag, a toiletry bag, and a shoe bag, the BAGSMART ones might be a better fit for you because you don't get that with those. And the biggest difference between the two of these, I would say, are these, the BAGSMART ones are color coded. So you know which size is which just based on the color. Both the materials of the bags are really nice. These right over here are not color coded. The sizing is a little different on each bag, but it doesn't really matter since you could get whatever sizes you want. So I hope you found this video review helpful. In closing, I think this one did a little bit better. It compressed it a little more, but can't really go wrong with either one of these. If you were looking for some great travel storing bags, definitely check these out. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you get the right bags for you.